In this video, we're going to show you how to migrate notes from Evernote to Obsidian. Migrating your notes from Evernote to Obsidian can help you take advantage of Obsidian's powerful note linking system, local file storage, flexible organization options, and extensive customization features. Whether you're managing personal notes, work projects, research materials, or study resources, Obsidian offers a highly adaptable environment for organizing information. However, moving a large collection of notes can seem intimidating. Many users worry about losing important content, attachments, formatting, or notebook structures during the migration process. The good news is that there are reliable methods for importing Evernote notes into Obsidian, making the transition much easier than many people expect. By the end of this video, you'll learn a simple method for migrating your notes from Evernote to Obsidian and organizing them within your new vault. So let's get started. The first step is to open Evernote and review the notebooks you want to migrate. Take a few moments to identify important notebooks, notes, and attachments that you want to transfer. Next, use Evernote's export feature to export your notes. Depending on your workflow, you can export individual notebooks or larger collections of notes. Once the export process is complete, create a new vault in Obsidian or open an existing vault where you want your imported notes to be stored. Now, use an available import tool or migration method to bring your exported Evernote notes into Obsidian. After the import finishes, review the imported notes to ensure that text, images, attachments, and formatting have transferred correctly. Next, organize your notes into folders that fit your preferred workflow. You might create folders for projects, work documents, personal notes, research materials, or study resources. You can also add tags and properties to improve organization and make important notes easier to locate. Another useful step is to create links between related notes. Obsidian's linking system allows you to connect ideas and build relationships between notes throughout your vault. As you continue working with your imported content, you can refine your structure and take advantage of additional features such as backlinks, graph view, templates, and plugins. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, export your notes from Evernote. Second, import the exported content into your Obsidian vault. And third, organize your notes using folders, tags, properties, and links. Remember that migrating notes is not only about moving information from one platform to another, it's also an opportunity to improve how your notes are organized and connected. Using Obsidian's knowledge management features can help you create a more efficient and scalable note-taking system. This is especially useful for users who manage large collections of information across multiple projects and topics. Taking the time to properly organize your notes after migration can make your Obsidian experience much more productive in the future. And that's how to migrate notes from Evernote to Obsidian. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.